Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell at the end of the day at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I've got gorgeous paint left over. And yesterday I did an inversion pour with this paint through a funnel into a puddle of black. I'm not going to do that today, and I'm really curious as to what I might want to do instead. And I think I have a bunch of, I still want to use black, that's so sad. Why don't I just do something completely different and use a puddle of magenta. And then because I have, look at those stripes, wow, beautiful. And I probably could have saved some of that and done a ribbon dribble, which I still probably could do if I take my time, but it's also in danger of becoming mud. Now I've got an edge catcher, a little one, and I'm going to have a look. Just going to add a little paint around the edge. Things that I think I will like the color of. Hope I'm right. Whoops. I don't think that was shaken. That was Floetrol. That was interesting. I probably have way more paint than I need. And I want another color because I don't like that magenta at all. I'm just so hooked on this color. It's just the way it goes. Those will go together well. Alright, so we're just going to tip this around for now. Let it get close to the edge of things. That Floetrol is, that's the first time I've seen it be a problem. Alright, I'm going to let it get right over to the edge. Travel down the edge. Mark the edge catcher. Let it flow back. I'm going to push that over. And use it on the other side. To cover the edge. And let it go back again. Now, what do I see that I like? Anything? I kind of do. I kind of like a bunch of things about this. And I'm almost done. So I should tell you guys, if you shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, it helps me out. I have Teespring clothing below the video with all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I've got some more gold and I think I want to use it. I may not be able to keep much of that. If you watch the videos longer, you help me potentially get better placement on the YouTube via the YouTube algorithm. I'm not going to worry about any of that paint on the edge catcher. Let it all go down till it gets almost to the end. And I'm going to rock it. Anything on my edge catcher is fair game for touching up holes later. If I'm quick, I'm going to be able to torch. I'm going to be sad to see a bunch of that go. I could have stopped and filled it in with the paint, which is probably what I should have done. But it's not too late to do that, actually. This is just end of day leftovers. I'm going to take my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, put some paint right on the spots that it needs it, stick my finger in there. Tell you guys, please give me a thumbs up, and if you watch the videos longer, it helps me out. Think about what I might want to do in here, if anything. I really want another Oxo omelet turning spatula, but I left them all in the bucket. I like that difference between that purple and that pink. That's kind of cool. And then I can ribbon dribble wherever. I don't know that I'm going to tip again. And I will just leave all the last little scribblings right on my edge catchers because I will make a collage out of them at some point in time. do I want something else in there? I kind of do, but you know what? I'd never put my glasses on, so it'd be probably a really good idea if I did that before I decided. Some of that's cool. I can use straw to uncover some colors. Probably should have left that alone. I kind of liked it the way it was. Now whatever I put in here, I can do all kinds of stuff with. I can make little organic shapes, which I could then blow out if I wanted to. I could throw a chain in there. I could decide I wanted some black in there, which is usually what happens. Oh, I've got some more paint. I don't actually need more paint. For sure not. I kind of want something lighter in there. And I don't know what the pearl will do. But let's find out. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under Show More. Under the video. So that added some interest that I actually like a lot. And it just makes me want more. And it sort of integrates, when you blow it with the straw, it sort of integrates it into things. Kind of want one black line there. And the black will often stimulate cells. I like the eye to move around inside of things. I'm going to torch and call it good. I'm going to check my crib sheet. Tell you guys that right now, while the coronavirus is going on, I'm not giving lessons anymore. Please shop my Amazon link. I told you that. You could check out the end screens for my website, and there's an Instagram feed there, so anything that you find there is probably for sale. You may inquire through my email address. It's right under the video. I appreciate your thumbs up very much. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you guys donating to help keep me going, and if you're looking for the monthly drawing, check the end screens of the video. I've got a missing spot. And on the exhibition video that's posted on those end screens, you're going to find the prizes for this month's drawing. And I am good to go. And I think I like that very much. And I could probably play with that for a long time because it's fun to play with it. But check my 1200 videos, playlists. Let's see, 12 lists of 100, 13 lists of genres. And look on Facebook group for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for anybody who's a student interested in communing with other students. Totes and More, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will show you what I've been posting on Fine Art America and Pixels.com since 2013, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors will show you what I've edited so far of the YouTube artworks, and they're not all there, they're like 400 short, but I will talk to you guys anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio. Maybe trying to make sure that you guys can see all of that. Yeah, you can see all of that. That's cool. Alright, I love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.